In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set dark mode in Google Calendar, a simple and effective way to reduce eye strain while enhancing the overall look of your calendar interface. We'll walk through the steps together, making sure you can easily follow along from start to finish. Dark mode has become increasingly popular due to its sleek design and increased readability in low light environments. So, let's dive right in and transform your Google Calendar experience. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to your Google Calendar. You can do this by typing in calendar.google.com in your browser's address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to your default calendar view. Make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with the calendar you want to update. Once you're on the main calendar page, look toward the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a small gear icon that stands for Settings in Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options that allow you to customize your calendar's settings. In this menu, you'll need to select the option labeled Appearance. The Appearance section is where you can adjust how your calendar looks, including toggling between light and dark themes. Click on the Appearance link and you'll be presented with several display options that customize the look of your calendar. Within the Appearance settings, you'll see an option for Dark Mode. Simply click on this option. Activating dark mode not only changes the background color to a darker shade, but it also adjusts the text and border colors to maintain visibility and enhance comfort, particularly in dim lighting. It's a great way to make your calendar easier on the eyes and extend the battery life on devices with OLED screens. After selecting dark mode, you'll want to confirm the changes by clicking on the Done button. This final step ensures that your preferences are saved and your calendar view will now reflect the new dark theme. Your Google Calendar should now appear with a darker color scheme, giving it a modern look and reducing glare. Perfect for those late night scheduling sessions or meetings in dimly lit rooms. And there you have it, you've successfully activated dark mode on your Google Calendar. If you ever wish to revert back to the standard light theme, you can easily do so by following the same steps, selecting the light mode option instead. Enjoy your new eye-friendly calendar interface, which should help keep your scheduling experience efficient and visually comfortable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for handy tips on enhancing your productivity tools.